design kind of spreading out slower, but if you want to is spreading out like faster, you apply the blossom gel a little bit thicker, I guess. Okay, and then you can just like lay it really gentle. You can just touch really gently. And let it does all the work for you. Okay, I will let it like spread out just a little bit for just a second. In the meantime, I'm gonna pin the bristle, and using on the other end, pick up some more. And then you can pretty much doing a lot of design however you like really. You can add more jade green on, or you can add more is the banana on. I really like it. And then before we are going to cure, I'm gonna wipe it up on the end, on the edges. You happy with this when the way is like blooming for you? And we are going to cure it. Just like lay your bristle in there, and then easily with the gel and the designs that you did is sorted first, it will do all the work for you. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. Okay. And if you're doing it for the client's nails or for your nails and you want to do it just more than one nail, you can add more banana on it and make it more sore, and then continue to do your designs. And let's move that on this side. And then let's see. I really want. It looks really cool. It looks really stunning though. Make me feel like I want to do this one, and then some crystal placement, or you can just do it. And our next one, I'm going to show you the looks. That next one I'm going to do. I'm going to get this one. And the colors, the Weaver gels, bright yellows, and doing with this looks. Okay, so we're going to do that. Looks super cute. And I really want to add the Weaver gels on it, the purple touch. And then remember that I shared with you how I put this all together using the stick, and then you can use a Scotch tape and then tape 4 or 5 of them together. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the Weaver gels, but in this one I'm going to use a purple touch, and then see how it's gonna turn out. If you don't want any of the Weaver gels on, you are good to go. Add some stickers on, but I want to see how cool this one will look on this color. So pick up 1 and 2. What's going to my finger too? That's it. 3. You can do however you want. Looks really cool though. And then we'll do flash cure for 30 seconds. Right there. It looks like and then now, before we're doing the stickers on, I'm go ahead and using the no wipe top coat to apply it on and cure for 30 seconds. Then we can able to stick the stickers on so much easier.
Alright, and this is a quick reminder for everyone. Any product you see and she used can be found on our official website at glitz.com. And she's using the stickers for this particular design. She get it from our anniversary subscription box, which is live now.
This is, and then also is randomly as well too, but a lot of you will get this. A lot of you will get a really cool sticker too. So I can't wait to see what you are getting. And I'm gonna go ahead and using the no wipe top coat and key it really good for like 30 seconds. Okay, the purpose of this, because when I put the no wipe top coat on, it will grab these stickers and it sucks the sticker right in, and you don't have to worry about if the edge is gonna peel off or coming off at all. So stay in there until whenever you are ready to changing a new design. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in, and welcome to Glitz. This is such live tutorial every day except Sunday, and brought to you absolutely free. Hey Lily, thank you so much for tuning in. All right, so done with that. We are going to pick some color. I get a lot of ideas here. So like this one, I like it a lot as well. It's kind of really cool and like RC. And then you can dress it up however you would like. It doesn't have to be the way I'm doing it. I'm gonna try to see. Hope everyone having a fabulous Monday. Happy Valentine Day, and thank you for tuning in with me.
Wow, that look cool.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You just use 3 stickers together and making a cute flowers. You can leave it like this and put a few crystal on. Don't have to go like way. I love the background though.
Mm-hmm.
And add maybe one more. I'm just using all from this. Like this one, I just need one more smaller one, maybe that one. Oh, right here, I found it. That's it. And if you want anything else, you can add it on. I'm going to add just a couple crystal in here, and then we're good to go. If you don't want anything else, you can just top coat it, and then you are good to go. I'm going to add just a little bit of a crystal, and I'm using the condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gel, which this is my one that I'm using it right now. But in the box, this month's special is sub box, anniversary sub box. You are going to get your precision glue gel. It take it back where Glitz start with the crystal, and then with the precision glue gel to keep all your crystal in one place. So definitely this few thing is already paid for your box, and you can absolutely enjoy with $50 of a gift card as well to shop after you receive your box. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the condensed glue gels, and all of the crystal is already staying really nice. It's grab really suck right in with top coat. So if a lot of you having the troubleshooting that your stickers are not staying on, it keep pop up on the edges, that is going to, this tip and trick, the techniques that adding the top coat on, it will definitely do all the trick, like take care of that for you. So then it's not going to have any issue with being peeling on the edges or coming off easy. So it's gonna stay in, like, not going anywhere. So you can see that I'm toning on the side. See how good and smooth it is. None of them are like peeling off or edges, anything at all. So I'm not using this little cutie mix set from the kids. I mean from the box that I got. So let me see what I got right here. Oh, that's cute. See, am I getting the cute one? And then you can add anything on it. I'm excited to see what you got on yours sub box. I'm gonna add some beads on. Some beads on. Hope you're having a fabulous day. Looking good. Add more as you needed it. You feel like you want some more. Add a couple more on. You have a limit of, like, I mean, unlimited of what you are going to create. Having fun with this. And all of them are going to definitely, it's really, and a lot of questions will ask, what do I use for adhere the crystal? I'm using the crystal trifecta. If you have to pick one item, crystal trifecta is absolutely will hold all your crystal in one place. If you're like, well, beginners is really want to know what to using it to mix is the best crystal design, I would just get the complete toolkit. So it have everything. You have is condensed glue gels, no web top coat, precision glue gels, pickers, and twin tip brush. But if you are getting a sub box, you only need the condensed glue gel, no web top coat, pickers, and twin tip brush. If you're happy with this, we are going to cure this beauty for a 60 seconds. You can add so many more as you prefer. Absolutely no limit of what you can do, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds.